Hi everyone, this is my review of the ultrafine polishing file set from Stedi. Stedi are a great brand. They produce a range of instruments and tools, especially for modeling, and I do small figurines, historical miniatures. I also do a bit of gunpla and vehicles, etc. But I have found them really useful. Let's dive in deep and see exactly what you get in the set. Well, in the set you get 4 files, and as I say, really well packaged. They come, I think you can get them individually, but it's really worth getting this particular set. They then come in a little box, and inside each of the little boxes you will get the file. Now these are made of glass, and so you've got to be a little bit careful with them, so hang on to the little boxes and keep them there, and also you can see which one is which. Now, something I wasn't aware of at the start, they are all the same grade of sanding. It is equivalent to 10,000 grit. Now, just to explain that, I in the past have obviously used files and things, I'm sure you do, and nippers to take little bits off my sprues, and then once that's down a bit I've used sanding blocks, and the finest sanding block that I've got here is 1,000 grit, so this is 10,000 grit. So this is for polishing a nice finish at the end. So each of the files is actually the same grit. I was a little bit confused about that when I bought them, and then I thought, oh, I understand, and I'll show you why in a moment. And so for one side has the roughness, the grit, and the other side is just smooth. So you're only working on one side of this, and it takes a little bit of just to get a feel for how you are doing it, but it starts smoothing and polishing it down. Now let me show you the other ones. This is the longish one. You then get a shorter version of that same shape, which I find is quite good by just holding it a little bit like that, and then you can get the motion going. But then they've got 2 specialist ones which are great for getting into little nooks and crannies. So there is one with a smaller edge there, so it just comes down, so you've got a nice little file there. And then they have a pointed one rounding out the set, so to getting into tiny little spaces, nooks and crannies, with that little pointed edge that you can see there. So that is quite a useful thing. Hey, the other thing that I really like about these is that you can clean them after using them. I just use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, dip it in some water, and then go across the file like that, the polishing file, and this will get the grit of plastic or resin, whatever, out of the file and return it to its brand new state. So essentially, in theory, these could last you a lifetime because you can clean them back and they'll be ready to go for your next session. So as I say, when you finish, pop them back into the little container there. Now, these are not going to replace your files, your sanding blocks. They are a next step. And especially if you're working on colored plastic that you're not going to paint, you just want to smooth it out a bit, this is where these really shine. Excuse the pun. So that's it. I found them really good. As I say, I like the Stedi brand, and I highly recommend the set, the ultra fine polishing files from Stedi.